If you're trying to connect your home theater system to your LG Smart TV, there are several reliable ways to get everything working depending on the ports and features your setup supports. The method most people should try first is HDMI ARC, since it gives you the cleanest connection, better sound quality, and automatic control between devices. Just take an HDMI cable and plug one end into the HDMI port on your LG TV that's labeled ARC or EARC, then plug the other end into the ARC port on your home theater receiver or soundbar. After that, open your LG TV settings, go to the sound menu and switch the sound out option to HDMI ARC or external audio. Make sure SimpLink, LG's CEC control, is turned on so the TV and audio system can communicate properly. This lets the TV automatically route audio through the home theater without extra steps. If your home theater system doesn't support ARC, you can still get great sound using an optical cable. Just plug the optical cable into the digital optical out port on your LG TV and connect the other end to the optical input on your home theater. Then go back to the TV's sound settings and change the sound out option to optical. It won't let you control volume with the TV remote in some setups, but the audio quality is still solid and stable. If you prefer a wireless setup or your system supports it, you can also connect through Bluetooth. Put your soundbar or home theater system into pairing mode, then on the TV, open settings. Sound, Bluetooth device list. Select your speaker and connect. Just remember that Bluetooth can sometimes have a slight audio delay, especially in movies or games, so it's not always as perfect as wired options. Some older LG TVs also still support the 3.5mm headphone jack or RCA outputs. These won't give you the same rich sound quality as HDMI ARC or optical, but they're useful for basic speaker systems or older home theater units. Whatever method you use, always double check your TV's audio output settings afterward to make sure it isn't still set to internal speakers. LG TVs sometimes switch back after updates or input changes, so it's worth confirming everything is routed correctly once the connection is made.